It's not necessarily a question of whether you would use Laminas over other frameworks, it's whether or not you would use Laminas in addition to all the other frameworks. One of the things that is unique about Laminas is that it is not just a monolithic framework that provides everything, the entire stack of stuff that you want. All of those are individual components that you can install, and they have minimal dependencies. So you can use Laminas feed in your Laravel application. You can use a Laminas filter in your Symfony application. You can use Laminas paginator in your Yi application. That's the beauty of Laminas, is that everything is a component, everything can be used by itself in isolation. So that's part of the answer. The other part of the answer is we target enterprise. And so we are looking at things like security. That's one of our first and foremost concerns as we write our code. We are looking at things like maintainability to make sure that our code is going to be able to update and upgrade in ways that you will be able to continue to update your code without breaking. So those are pieces that are very core to what we believe as framework authors. And that's why we feel Laminas is a great solution for you, regardless of the PHP application you're writing.